In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a printer from my Samsung phone. First, let's get started by opening the settings on your Samsung phone. You can find the Settings app as a gear icon on your home screen or in the app drawer. Tapping on this will bring you into a menu where you can adjust various settings of your device. This step is essential because the Settings menu is where all the configurations for your phone are stored. Once you are in the Settings menu, you will see a list of options that control everything from network settings to display options. Take your time to locate the icon. Next, look for the option that says Connections or More Connection Settings depending on your phone model. Tapping on this will lead you to a sub-menu where you can manage your connections like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and more. It's important to find the right section because printing options are typically located here. By selecting this option, you enable access to all the different ways your phone connects to devices, including printers. Navigating to this section helps ensure that you are on the right path to managing your printer settings. Now from this menu, tap on Printing. This will open up the printing settings where you can manage any connected printers. Seeing the printing options means you are on the right track. This section allows you to view and control all aspects of printing from your phone. You can see the printers that are currently set up as well as additional settings related to printing preferences. Once you are in the printing settings, tap on Default Print Service. This is where the main printing service is managed on your Samsung phone. By accessing the default print service, you can see which printers are connected and how your phone interacts with them. This step is crucial as it directly relates to managing your printing options. You will notice options to set up new printers or manage existing ones. From there, tap on Saved Printers or All Printers. This selection will show you a complete list of printers that have been saved to your phone. It is important to distinguish between saved printers and those that are currently active. By choosing this option, you can see all the printers you have connected in the past. This overview allows you to manage your devices efficiently, ensuring you only keep the printers you actively use. Next, select the printer you want to remove from the list. This is a straightforward action. You simply tap on the printer that you no longer need. This step is important because it allows you to focus on the specific printer you wish to delete. By taking this action, you are one step closer to clearing out any unnecessary connections that could clutter your printing options. Finally, tap on Forget or Remove. This action will delete the selected printer from your phone. You may see a confirmation message indicating that the printer has been successfully removed. This little step saves you a lot of time later by ensuring your device stays organized and only shows relevant printers. Once you complete this step, you will have successfully deleted the printer, allowing a smoother printing experience in the future. Now you know how to delete a printer from your Samsung phone. By following these steps, you can manage your printing settings effectively. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.